Welcome to MassPay. In this video, we are going to highlight how to transfer funds from your MassPay account to a MassPay Visa Debit Card. You'll see I am in my members portal and I'm looking at the dashboard and I have $1,000 USD available to me. To start this process, I'm going to click Transfer. Now when I click Transfer, it's going to ask me to select where I would like to send the money to. Well, I'm located in the United States. If I'm not, I can choose from one of about 175 other countries and territories where I am located. I can then select the amount I want to transfer. In this case, I'm going to transfer let's say half of the amount, so 500 of the $1,000. Once I select that option, it's now going to present me a list of services that I can transfer those funds to. Now, everybody's view here is going to be different, and it's going to vary upon the number of financial services you have connected to your MassPay account. You can see I have about 10 of them here in my account. For this demonstration, I'm going to focus on the physical debit card. The reason I'm going to focus on this is because the creation of the physical debit card will have a card sent to me, but it will also immediately create a virtual debit card that I can add to my Apple Wallet or my Google Wallet or any other digital wallet that I have available. I'm going to select the physical debit card. I'm going to agree to the terms and conditions, and if I need to review them, they are all available right here on the side. And I'm going to verify that my social security number or my ITIN is correct. Once I've done so, I simply click Next. You can see now I have confirmation for the payout information, and this is the physical Visa debit card, all of the information I entered, and any fees associated with that transaction. So I'm going to click Finish. And as you can see here, it says, congrats, your card is on the way. All right, we are set. As you can see, the transaction is complete and we have a Visa debit card in our MassPay account. To access the card, we are going to click Card Info. Now, this is the virtual representation of the physical card that you requested. The physical card will be mailed to the address on file associated with your MassPay profile. Until that arrives, you can use the virtual card in exactly the same way. In order to do so, simply go in and set up a PIN, whatever you want that to be, and then enter this card information into your virtual wallet. Google, Apple, whichever wallet you use, simply enter this information from the card in there and you are good to go. It will work in exactly the same way any other virtual card does, and the same way your physical card will work as soon as it is received. If you need to access the card number at any point in time, simply click on the little I, it will show it to you, just like that. Everything you need is there. You are now ready to go. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to us. It's cardsupport@masspay.io, and we will be happy to help however we can.